This is almost identical to the last problem, except it's different letters, but the process is the same. We're going to solve for r, which means we're going to get all the other stuff on the other side of the equation. How do we do that? We do the inverse operation. Remember that pi is just a number that's about 3.14. In the original equation, v equals pi r squared h, I have a pi and I have h, and they're being multiplied by r squared. I can do the opposite of multiply by dividing. So here, I'm going to divide this whole thing by pi and h at the same time. Pi divided by pi just reduces down to 1 over 1. H over h reduces down to 1 over 1. 1 times r squared times 1 is just r squared. Over here, though, whatever I do on one side of the equal sign, I got to do to the other, so I'm dividing v by pi h. So now to get rid of this square, I have to do the inverse of squaring, which means I take the square root. The square root kind of undoes the square. Whatever I do on one side, I have to do to the other. When I undo the square, I'm left with just the base, which is r, but over here, there's no way to simplify that anymore. So this is the answer. R is equal to the square root of v over pi times h. That's it, folks.